It is Thursday, the 4th of April, 2022, and welcome to our daily debrief. Just to recap yesterday's action, we had quite a week down our Aussie with the big constituents all getting hit quite hard, commodities pulling in, and PGMs also getting sold off. Um, we had the Federal Reserve come out yesterday and evaluate their balance sheet and basically their sort of hiking trajectory going forward. Market sort of took to the right, snapped down initially, and then regained some of its gains. This morning in Asia, we've got Asia down a little bit, with commodities off slightly. Since our close, we've got S&P pretty much unchanged. We've got Nasdaq up a little bit since the close. We've got US 10-year coming in a little bit since our close. Brent crude, one of the bigger moves, also lower than since our close. Platinum's off. Iron ore's off a little bit this morning also. Palladium a little bit higher. BHP and Rio and Oz down slightly, and Tencent down about 1%. Our local SA Inc. stocks traded really, really well yesterday. So I think there was money flowing sort of into those stocks. So just to look to this morning's ideas, I think the first one, we're going to look for maybe a second day play in Pick and Pay. They came out with the numbers yesterday. Stock sort of hovering around its 200-day moving average around 53.50. Let's watch this one this morning. Maybe if we can get a bit of a push there, the results are slightly better than expected. But the stock could, hasn't really moved for a while, and I think the stock could maybe get some upside today. The next play is going to be TGA. I think watch this one for a bit of a reversal at some stage. We saw once it broke through 200, it hasn't really stopped. The next sort of moving average is around 203, and once again, it's very, very extended. I think maybe watch this one to see if we can get a bit of a reversal. There's a little bit of selling around 240, 245 yesterday, so maybe watch this one for a short. And then finally, CFR, just to keep an eye on this one. I think, did test the 200-day, and now it's sort of reversed off there. Stock was quite weak yesterday, and I think, there's nothing really until 170, and the 200-day sitting, around way lower. I think the stock can actually, potentially go test around 155. But watch this one quite closely. So just to recap yesterday, we want to go with Pick and Pay, watch TGA for potential short, and see where CFR can get to. Good luck for today.